I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked for IRS for a decade. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5 minute or less video. I have 50 years of professional IRS work experience. Yeah, I'm that old and I've done this that long, and that means I'm pretty good and an expert in this. I have a whole team of former IRS agents, and I do these videos for three reasons so you don't get ripped off. You don't listen to the crap that's out there that people are putting on YouTube and telling you everything they can do, making promises they can't fulfill. It's a joke. After doing this for 50 years, it is embarrassing. It's embarrassing what some of the stuff you hear on YouTube is. I try to, from an insider, tell you what's going on and for you to be able at least to make a good conscious decision about what you need to do on a case. Anyway, today I'm going to talk to you about billing for offers and compromise and how much you should spend and who you should stay away from and just the whole rigmarole about that. I've been doing, as a former revenue officer, I taught the offer program. I used to accept offers and deny offers and compromise. I was good enough that they sent me to Atlanta to instruct other people on what to look for, what not to look for, and which offers to accept and not. So as you can imagine, I started doing offers in '76, so you can imagine how many offers I've worked throughout the years. So let me tell you about what costs are for offers and compromise. Offers and compromise can go anywhere from $5,000 and up. And let me tell you the reason for that. First of all, you need to stay away from the big tax resolution companies. If you're Googling and you see the word ad on the Google toolbar to the left, there's 4 ads on the top, 3 ads on the bottom. Stay away from those firms. Salesmen are talking to you who make 50% of the money, and their job is to get in your pocket to go ahead and take as much money as you can. I had a guy call me last week, paid a company $35,000, and the offer probably should have been $10,000 could have closed the case. Their job is to collect the money, put 50% in their pocket. The company then gets 40% or 45, and then the person working the case gets 5%, and they don't even know what the hell the salesman told you. They just pass some notes through. Anyway, offers and compromise can go anywhere from $5,000 and up, and let me tell you why that is so you have an understanding. Um, Forgetting the big companies, because all they're going to do is build a crap out of you, and they don't even know you. They don't even know if you can do an offer. See, what happens is when, if you were to call me, for instance, I have to look at your IRS financial statement. I have to look at a 433F, a 433A, and then I have to look at the financial statement that's going into IRS. If I don't look at that, then I'm not taking your case because I don't know what I can do for you. So you have to give that form to somebody who knows what they're doing that can evaluate your offer. Companies do this. They don't take the offer and they're still billing you for something they don't know that they can go ahead and do. So let me tell you the reason that offers go up. Offers go up based on the amount of experience you have and what the result you think you can get is and what hurdles you have to overcome to get to that result. Those are the 3 things, at least for me, I look at when I'm billing the case. I got to know what hurdles I have to go into. God knows I have the experience, but more important, what result can I get for you? If I can save you $150,000, $200,000, $60,000, I'm really worth my value, and I really deserve a lot more. But see, that's not the key. The key is to know you can get your offer and compromise through and settle it for the lowest possible dollar. That's what's really, really important in the billing. And nobody can tell you what that is until someone with all this experience can say, I know I can save you this money because I know how to get you there. Problem is 95% in the industry, they don't know how really to get you there. So you're going to expect billing all over the place. But remember, the companies that advertise, you're paying for the staff. By the way, they spend about $200,000 to $300,000 a month advertising. Goes up and down during the time of year, during their budget. You click on that ad, you're paying them $25 on Google, whether you're using them or not. So remember, most of your money, the bigger companies, you always see ad. That's how you know they're bigger companies. You're going to be paying for their advertising, and you're going to be paying for their salesmen. It's always best to usually try to go to somebody who's not caught up in the advertised billing and has this fine tile you're paying for. And to be honest with you, you're not going to get the result from them because they don't have the people on staff to go ahead and get you the result. So that's why the billing is all over the place. So keep that in mind. Experience, result, and what's the lowest they're going to give you. A firm, a company, anyone that's good is going to tell you what IRS is going to settle for. And don't be surprised if you call people like me and I don't take your case. You know why? I may not be able to settle your case. It's best to be honest with the person to let them know. So anyway, at the end of the day, if this information was helpful, give me a damn subscription. I'd love to have subscriptions because that lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. Leave me a comment if you want me to do a YouTube on something. You can find me in the description section below. Thank you.